Hello everyone, welcome back to the Ghala for Developers tutorial series. This is the second episode where we will be teaching you how to connect your WhatsApp number and send your first message. So you'll start by going to ghala.io and you can go to the sign in page. If you don't have an account, you can sign up, or you can fill your account details here if you have an account already. You will be redirected to this page where you will be asked to connect a WhatsApp number. So in the previous video, I said you'll need a WhatsApp business account and a Facebook account, and you will use them in this area here. You can fill in all the details as they request, and make sure you keep your WhatsApp business account and your email close by, as they will ask you to verify using a QR code and verify your email by clicking a link. Once you complete all the steps shown on the screen, it'll take you to this finished page, and from here you'll be able to access your dashboard. Now, there are many features on the dashboard to be explored, but for the sake of this tutorial, the important section is the developer options here at the bottom of the page. From here, you can access all your account details, but the one we'll be using to build our application is the access token here. So from here, we can head over to our Ghala docs, where we can copy this block of code right into our IDE. You can paste it in, and if you have any issue with .env, you can make sure to add these two extra lines. Now we can head over to our .env file, and we can add the access token that we saw in the previous page. And we can go ahead and run the code now, and you will see that you will likely get this error. And this error is present in our developer docs, as well as all other errors. This one specifically says that WhatsApp allows freeform message only within a 24-hour window of the customer texting you. And so we can fix this by heading back into our IDE and changing the number into a number that has messaged us in the last 24 hours. And once we have done this, we can rerun the code, and we will see here the success message. And we can confirm this by checking it along with the code present in the developer docs, and it matches, which means that our work here is done. Thank you for tuning into this episode of Ghala for Developers tutorial. Tune into the next episode where we will teach you how to configure your webhook to receive messages from customers. See you next time.